Hello, parents. Hello, families. Welcome to our meeting for the English as a New Language program at Preston Elementary School. My name is Mrs. Adamiak, and I am one of the English as a New Language teachers at Preston. You will also see Mrs. Maizono's picture. She is another English as a New Language teacher here at Preston School. We work together to support your children as English language learners. This meeting will explain the English language learner identification process and the types of support that your children receive in school. When a child enters a new school district, you complete a home language questionnaire as part of their registration. This means that you share the languages that you speak at home. And when appropriate, students are given an English proficiency exam to determine if they may benefit from English language support at school. If your child is eligible for English language support at school, they may have a proficiency level of entering, emerging, transitioning, expanding, or commanding. These levels help the teachers know how to support your children in the best way possible. Here we go. I am speaking a little slowly so that our translation service can support you in reading this presentation in Spanish. Okay, so at school, we have two types of English language support. One type is called integrated. That means that your English as a New Language teacher and your classroom teacher work very closely together to support your child inside the classroom. That means that they receive English language support inside their classroom. Another kind of service is called standalone service. This means that your English as a New Language teacher and your classroom teacher work very closely together to support your child, and your child will leave the classroom to receive some English language support in a smaller group. Both of these types of English language support are offered at Preston Elementary School. The teachers decide which type of support would be best for your child based on their English proficiency, their grade level, and their schedule. This year, in 2020, school looks a little different. And so we want to explain how your children will receive English language support. If your child is an entering or emerging level proficiency, that means that they are entitled to 6 hours of English as a New Language support each week. Your child will come to school in the school building 4 days per week. They will come on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to Preston School to learn in the building. If your child is at the transitioning or expanding level of proficiency, your child will follow the Husky or Pride schedule, and they will come to Preston School 2 days per week. Everyone will complete virtual learning on Mondays. So no students come to school on Mondays. Everyone completes learning from home on Mondays. Each spring, we have an English proficiency exam that determines the amount and type of services that your child will need for the next year. This exam is given in April and May, and it happens over a few days. In September, you will receive information about your child's score. Again, your child's score or proficiency level will determine how they will receive services as an English language learner. If your child scores commanding or proficient on that exam, it means that they no longer need support from an English as a new language teacher in a direct way. Another way for your child to exit the program is for them to complete a score of a 3 on the New York State English Language Arts exam and a score of expanding on the New York State English as a Second Language test. That is the proficiency test that we use in the spring. Before we end this meeting, we would like to share something new that we're trying this year. So, we have many new families to Harrison, and we are looking for volunteers to meet with new families and help them to join our community in Harrison. We are all very lucky to be a part of the Harrison Learning Community, and we would love to welcome our new families to our community. If this is something you are interested in, please send an email to myself or Mrs. Maizono to let us know. Again, we have 2 English as a new language teachers at Preston School, Mrs. Maizono and myself, Mrs. Adamiak. Please send us an email or a message or call the school if you have any questions at all. We are always available to support you. If you need further support, you can also contact our director, Mrs. Marina Moran. I hope to see you all soon, and we are so excited to be back in school with your children. Remember, send us an email or a message or just call if you need anything at all. We hope you have a great year, and we can't wait to see you soon.